Welcome back to Blender Synth. Well, no doubt, as you guys probably saw from the thumbnail, going to be some changes. Hate to do it to you, but that's just the way things are going. um, this was not meant to be a porn channel. I got people that are serious, about learning how to do adult visual novels and 3D porn. Both visual novels and the 3D porn animation, making a 3D porn game both as a visual novel game and as an actual game using Blender and Unreal Engine. And sadly to say, those are no longer going to be available for free. You won't be seeing them anymore on the Blender channel here, although they will be here for the Blender Patreon. All the porn stuff is going to go to a Patreon. That way, those people who are serious can sign up on the Patreon and follow it all in its gory detail and everything, and even see things they wouldn't be seeing on YouTube, because those are private videos paid for and all that good stuff. We're just going to be a regular Blender channel, because they still have to learn Blender. So we're going to be still going over, and Fluent's going to be mixed in with all the other add-ons. We're just going to be basically a regular Blender channel. We're going to be covering Blender and a bunch of add-ons, how to use add-ons, and going over Auto Rig Pro and Boutique and Clothing Rig and everything else. And basically, teaching all the stuff that they'll be doing in the Patreon on how to design their rooms and how to do all that and everything else. But nothing really, no more porn related, no more sexy girls, no more none of that stuff. All that's behind the paywall now. The stats show it. Everyone's, the reason there's no bad comments about the videos or anything is because no one's watching them. They're just skipping straight to the porn stuff and the goody pictures and the perv pictures and watching, those, and then that's it, leaving. That's all they're here for. So now that's going to cost, like always, now that's going to cost money. But we got a stock default here of Blender. Well, I put in some things. I put in Blender, HardOps, Fluent, KitOps, and stuff like that. Zen UV, and that's about it so far. And naturally, I've got my pie menu sitting here, although it's not as big and sophisticated as the ones you've been seeing, because it's got everything. But I'm going to build it. I'm going to show pie menu editor also, so you guys can learn about see, because this is all the things you can do right here. This is all the things you can add in pie menu. I mean, this can get really, really advanced. You got regular pie menu. You got pop up a stack key, a panel group, a hidden panel group, sticky keys, macro operator, modal operator, and properties. But we're going to be going over all of that, all this stuff, and how to put these together, how to get as sophisticated as you want and advanced as you want, and basically creating your own pie menus in any kind of fashion way you desire. But that's basically what we're going to be jumping to. All the good juicy stuff is gone. We're just going to be here for Blender and doing your regular default Blender, going over everything, all the options, all the stuff, basic modeling, default Blender and add-ons and all that good stuff. So hope you guys like it. That's all this video is going to be for this week. Really not much, like I said, not much to talk about. It's basically here to inform all those people that are either tired of it or was wanting it to go about there'll be no more porn. And those that were here to watch that, well, I guess there's really not many people that are showing it like I was on YouTube. So I guess you'll either have to sign up for the Patreon, and it will be a mid-level tier. You know, don't expect it to be the $1 or $5 tier. No. Porn don't go that cheap. sorry. If you people that are into porn and stuff usually got money. So, yeah, that's about all I got to say to this week. And like I said, it doesn't matter to me. It's fine. I'm the one making it. It's my membership. I got access to it, so I'll be seeing it. Those that will be paying for it will be seeing it and learning it. So, it's all good on my end. So, it's just kind of sucky news to you guys. If you would watch more of the video and paid more attention and learned something or anything, or basically did anything except just search for the porn stuff and leave. This might have been a rare channel because YouTube was letting me get away with it. YouTube wasn't striking nothing. All the videos are still up there. I'll leave the ones that have been up there. Because there was some, or at least no one's turned them in or said anything about it. Or if they did, I've seen a lot of other videos get taken down, within a day or two after they've been put up. But as they say, couple bad apples spoils it for everybody. So let me know your comments. Post your comments down below if you want. Do you like it? Are you not? Are you against it? You for it? Where you stand on the verdict? And let's see what happens. But anyway, we'll see you guys next week. Have fun.